how to set up Google Auth in n8n step by step. Hey everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial, we are going to show you how to set up Google Auth in n8n so you can securely connect your Google account and start building powerful automated workflows with services like Gmail, Google Sheet, Calendar, and more. So let's get started. So first step is to go into your n8n and open your workflow. If you haven't created any account in n8n, just simply go into description and click on the link. You will get 15 days free trial. Now let's jump into tutorial. First step is what you have to do is add a triggered manually. Now, if you click on it, it will from in the right side, you can select this. Now click on plus icon. Now over here, you have to search for any app like Gmail, Drive, Meet, Calendar. So let's say for in my example, I will search for Google, and I'm assuming you are searching for like Google Drive or Calendar or Chat, anything like that. So the setting to set up auth, the application will be different, but the the process is very uh, pretty much similar for each app. So let's I will show you how you can do that. First, let's say I need a trigger. Let's say when create a folder, so it will perform a action when someone created a folder. So this is a node, this is a Google Drive node. Click on it and click on this create new credential. So from here you can get services account and auth 2. I will suggest you to choose auth 2. So just copy this. This is the auth redirect URL. What we need is client ID and client secret. So how we can set up this? Now go to google.console dot the search. Now scroll down and search for Google Cloud Console. Click on it and then it will prompt you to this. Now from here, as you can see, I have already created a lot of applications. So here my first project, Google Sheet on n8n, Gmail connection n8n, calendar connector as well I have created. So the process is very simple. So click on this new project. Now over here you have to give the project name Google Drive. Now in your case, it can be a Google Calendar or Google Form or anything like that. Just click on this create button. Now, as you can see here in the top, our project has been creating. Now, just simply select after finishing the process. Click on the select product. Now we are on our project, which is Google Drive. Now what you have to do is click on this 3 lines. So from here, you have to go to API and services, and from there, you have to choose library. Now, click on the library. Now, what you have to do over here, you have to enable the service or API uh, for your application. For example, if you are using a calendar, if you are if you are setting auths to a calendar, you can search for calendar. Just simply hit enter. As you can see, Google Calendar API. Now, in my case, I am searching for Google Drive. Just hit enter. Now, as you can see here, Google Drive API will be come. Just simply select, and now it will prompt you to this page where you have to enable this API. So just simply click on this API. Now, as you can see here, is enabling the API. Wait for a few seconds. Now, our API has been enabled, and then you will be something will look like this. Now, in the left side, we have library, and then we have credential, then we have auth consent screen. First, let's set up auth consent screen. From here, every step is will be very similar to each app. So it's like it's not like the for the Google Calendar, which is different, and Google for different. So you can follow these process for every app. So what you have to do is, as you can see, you can access from API services, go to auth consent screen. It will prompt you to this page. From here, click on this overview and then click on this get started. Now over here, you have to create an app. So first you have to set up your app information. In the first box, you have to enter your app name like Google Drive. I have set up this one. And then I have to enter your user support email address. Now click on the next. Now over here, you have to choose your audience. Now I will choose external because uh, this is available to any test user with the Google account. So uh, yeah, I will choose this one. Click on the next. Now after here, you have to enter your email address. I will suggest you to enter yours and then click on this next button. Now click on this I agree to the Google API services, then click on the continue and click on this create button. Now we have successfully, okay, while creating auth, this request failed because app name does not comply with the Google requirement. Okay, I have to change my Google name and then uh, go Google Drive 1. Now add your support email. Next, choose your audience. Next, enter your, then next, agree and click create. Now wait for a few seconds. It will create your app. As you can see, auth configuration has been created. Now after creating the auth, here you have to create auth client. Now click on this create auth client. Now what you have to do is over here you have to select the application type, which is make sure you have selected the web application. Now over here you have to give a name to your web application. Let's say n8n Google Drive web name 1. So this is my code. This is my web application name. Now, if you scroll down, you will find these two authorized JavaScript original and authorized redirect URL. Now click on this add URL and go to your n8n, copy this auth redirect URL. So it's basically redirect the request to the here. Now paste over here and click on this create button. So just wait for a few seconds and we have get the client ID. Copy this client ID, paste into client ID section, then go back. Now click on this OK. Now let's find out the client ID secret. Now in the client section, we get the client secret. Just copy this and paste into here. Now let's move back. First, before you start, just go to audience, click on this publish app and click on the confirm. So it basically publish to the production. Your app will be available to any user. Now go back and click on this sign in with the Google. Wait for a few seconds. It will prompt you to this. Click on this. Make sure you have the account. Now it will give something like this. You don't need to worry about this. Click on this. Go to n8n Cloud Unsafe. Now over here you have to give all the permissions and accesses which n8n access, or you can select the permission and accesses based on your requirements. Click on the continue button. Now as you can see here, the connection has been successfully created. Once the connection is set up, you will be able to send emails via Gmails. You can read and write Google Sheet. You can manage your calendar event and integrate Google services into any of your n8n workflows. So this is how you can create auth for your Google services. Uh, the process is very simple. Just you have to change at one thing where you find the API key where you are enabling the API key. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel. And if you want a specific automation tutorial, just comment it down below. I will make video for that. Thanks for watching.